Alpha Bravo 5, Victor Juliet.
Alpha Bravo 5, repeat the rest.
Yes, the call sign is Alpha Bravo 5, Victor Juliet. Go ahead.
Roger, nice signal. Where are you, sir?
I'm in south central Pennsylvania. The town name is Waynesboro. Over.
Oh, excellent. And what's the name?
Name is Dan, Delta Alpha November. Roger.
Oh, Roger, Dan. Let me tell me about your antenna. Let me hear your audio.
Okay, well, my antenna is a 160 through 6 meter doublet, fed with 600 ohm ladder line, and I've got it up about 90 feet. Back to you.
You're serious. Anybody go 90 feet, they are serious about their signal. All right, I'm looking at your audio there, and it looks like I'm just curious about your compressor. When you key in first, I hear a lot of stuff, and then it settles down. So I'm thinking maybe you might be running that compressor a little hard. We usually suggest about a 3. About a 3 on the compressor, 3 out of 10, Roger. It's a light amount, but it does the job that it's supposed to, and you don't hear it working, Roger.
Okay, Roger. Well, I just changed it to 3, and by the way, I'm running an ICOM 7300, and I heard your previous call, two QSOs ago, I think, and you were working with the 7300, so that's the rig here. Over.
Oh, Roger, Roger. I would go to my ALC meter and adjust my mic gain to where my ALC is running a mid-scale to 2/3. That's the other half of the potion there. Go to your ALC meter and then adjust your mic gain to where your ALC is running mid-scale to 2/3.
Okay, right now it's going to about 7/8. So I'm cutting it back. I'm at 33%, 29%, and on peak, 29 is about 3/4. Over.
Roger that. Now, on the mic EQ, what mic are you running?
I'm running a HELIAXE ICM BG, Bravo Golf Electret studio mic. I just bought this mic and I changed out the hand mic that comes with the iPhone, and now I've got a boom setup. Over.
Okay, you mean like a headset, or you're talking about a swing arm or something?
Yeah, swing arm. It's a studio mic, slimline studio mic, on a boom arm.
Oh, Roger. I would suggest going to your EQ and cranking in 2 more clicks on the top end, and come back and let me hear that.
Okay, Roger. On the mic gain, it's at 31%. Over.
Okay, I'm talking about EQ, treble EQ plus 2 additional from where you are.
Okay, right now I'm at -1 bass plus 3 treble.
All right, so I would guess it would be all the way out. That's before you add 2, Roger, on the top end?
Yes, right now I'm at +5 treble, -1 bass.
Okay, I can start to hear the S's, so I think that's going to do nice. Tell me a little bit about the thing you enjoy best about that radio.
Oh, what I enjoy best is the reception. Very good receive, very sensitive, and just recently I also installed a magnetic loop antenna with a transmit-receive switch. So now I can listen with the loop, turn it off, and it's operation normally with the doublet. Or turn it on, and then I've got transmit with the doublet and listen with the loop. And that really does help on the medium wave and short wave, definitely. Over.
Roger, yeah, I'm using a 10-foot mag loop on your signal right now, and it just is so clean, that's the thing about a mag loop antenna is on any given day, it's 3 to 4 dB quieter than a dipole antenna, Roger.
Oh, Roger that. And I really like this one. I was going to go for a Wellbrook, but I decided to go for a stateside magnetic loop, and I'm glad I did it because it didn't cost as much, and it's performing very well. Over.
Roger. And you're just running that at 100 watts, or what's your power?
Yeah, power's 100 watts. Roger.
I was playing with mine on kilowatt. I developed my own capacitor, tuning capacitor. I used a red gold can of tomatoes, 8 tomatoes, and then used the red gold can, put a wire on it, and got me a standard can and put it inside the red gold can, wrapped some rubber mat around it, and I just like in and out to find the frequency, and gosh, I was doing a KW, Roger.
Wow, incredible. Oh, and I also the ladder line is not coming directly into the house. At the window, I have a pass-through, and I've got a 1-to-1 isolation bow in there, which is optimized for the low bands, 160, 80, and 40. And then I run a 5-foot section of LMR 400 into a MFJ 974 HB balance tuner.
Roger, Roger. Now, there's another way to do that. I've never done it, but you go to 2 lines of coax before you, from the outside going into the inside. So you're actually a shielded cable once you enter the wall there. 2 of those balanced to your, to your balanced output.
Roger, yeah, I think I'm going to try that at one point. I'm able to tune just about anywhere from 160 to 6 with this tuner. It's very versatile. Of course, I can't run a kilowatt. I'd have to go with something larger. It's only rated for 300, but it works excellent. I'm able to tune just about anywhere, over.
Roger. Yeah, the thing is to start without the tuner to see exactly what your SWR is to begin with, and then you have some reference point as you do other various things. What was the original SWR at the, I guess, you would say a mid-band frequency is what I always try to use, except on this one I kind of concentrate on 7188 because that's where I usually am on this band, but the whole thing is to be able to keep a record of where you are and then a record of where you went and then compare them AB-wise, and if you at all possible always save your current best as you explore different possibilities, and matter of fact even to have them come up on an AB switch that you can check out your current best against your future explorations on an AB situation, Roger.
Oh, roger that. And yes, and that makes total sense. I also have just recently purchased a new analyzer, so I know that's going to help me out in my antenna building. I've got a Rig Expert AA5VJ Bluetooth, so I can actually interface it with my laptop, so for some higher resolution graphs. So I'm looking forward to using that more. I'm going to build some delta loops next. I think delta loops are in the plan. I've got several tall trees here. I live on the side of a mountain here.
Frequencies in use?
I have a few 100-footers, over.
Roger that. Roger that. Well, I think your signal is just great. And you say you're running 100 watts right now?
Yes, 100 watts.
Oh, beautiful. And what was your location again?
Location is Waynesboro, Pennsylvania, south central PA.
Roger, just excellent signal, and the audio's nice too. So, well, let me say threes to you, sir, and thanks for dropping by, Roger.
Roger, thank you very much. Kilo Charlie 9, Victor Charlie, Victor Kilo Victor, Alpha Bravo 5, Victor Juliet.
Roger, roger. 3's that way. This is KC9VKV and the Friday afternoon Qso-Vlog network. If you've got a radio, you want to check out the audio, we are recording now live till 5, and you'll be looking for, well, you would go to YouTube and do a call letter search for Kilo Charlie 9, Victor Kilo Victor, and then you would be looking for an entity called My Group Aircheck 91319. My Group Aircheck 91319. This is a KC9VKV.